Alright, so here is my new restored um, 5-bladed metal table fan. This is roughly a 12-inch fan, and this fan is such a beautiful fan. I love it. I do have a bit of a childhood connection to these ones, as I do the 4-blade, like the 4-bladed ones that we all know. This fan looks to be like it's a Feature Comforts or an Easy Home, or if I'm not mistaken, a Deco Breeze, or even a what was the brand? Hawaiian Breeze or Utilitech. So, if you guys know the the brand of this fan, you guys do let me know in the comments if you guys know the brand. But right now, I guess it's just gonna be an unknown metal table fan. So out of the 12-inch metal table fans, this is my second one so far. My first one was a Better Homes and Gardens table fan from 2024. I think this one's from 2016, so it's a huge 8-year difference. And second of all, this one has 5 blades instead of 4. This one is very similar to my Deco Breeze pedestal fan over there. Same finishes, the same kind of blade and the same kind of grill and the same way the grill goes on. Except this is a 12-inch fan, that's a 16-inch fan. But still, though, this fan, it does indeed have a 3-pronged grounded plug for because it's an older metal table fan. My Better Homes and Gardens fan, I think since it's a newer fan, it does not have a grounded plug. So this is the reason why it has a grounded plug on it. Let's get a close-up look at it real quick. Here is the badge. It comes in a really nice bronze finish, as that one does. The blades has 5 petal blades, almost like a flower. Same blades as that one, just smaller. The same way the grill goes on. This ring that goes around it is just a pain to put it on, and then put the screw back in, and that's it really. But anyway, there's the front. Here's the left side. Here is the right side. And the back. And actually it does too. I'm just gonna loosen this up real quick. Anyway, it's just got 3 speeds and oscillation, just like the pedestal one you see over there, and it has the same exact motor cover. And the oscillator does work on this one, unlike that one. The oscillator does not work. And I didn't remove the back grill like I did with the pedestal one, so that's why I didn't bend the blade as I was putting it back together. And this actually does tilt. I'm just gonna loosen the knob here just to prove that. Okay. So let's retie this. I don't know. Moving to the bottom. The model number is FT30-A3. Made in China. And the date code is May of 2016. So, yeah. Not really much to say on this one. I do, however, this is not the only metal table fan I reviewed, as well as the Better Homes and Gardens. It was also the Hunter Century. And this is as close as I'm going to get to a Hunter Century fan compared to the Better Homes and Gardens. So with that now, I'll go ahead and plug this fan in, and then we'll start it up. It's got the same grounded plug with of course a fuse. It's probably the same manufacturer as the Deco Breeze pedestal fan over there. So let's plug it in, and it starts from low again, except it actually has a more decorative vintage style switch and also a more decorative style oscillator knob. So with that being said, now enough talk, so we will go ahead and start it up on low. Pretty quiet, and it does blow an exceptional amount of air. I do love this fan already. Has a really nice sound to it. Especially due to the 5 blades, it's meant to spin faster than our standard 4-bladed metal table fan. And this is why I like these types of metal table fans compared to my Better Homes and Gardens, because they produce a nice sound. They have a really nice sound to them. Anyway, let's go up to medium now. Quite a difference between medium and low. So let's get a little noisy, but it's really blowing a lot of air. That is surprisingly strong. Now we'll go up to high. It kind of sounds like my 18-inch Utilitech pedestal fan. Probably due to it having 5 blades as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and change it back down to low. Now we'll gauge oscillation. Not sure why it's like speeding up and slowing down. I think the bearings are a little bit gummy, or maybe it's a capacitor issue. Now let's go up to medium. Let's doing it again. So it's a great fan overall, and I'm keeping it right next to all my antique fans on my bed. They go really well. It goes really well with them. Full power. Alright, now we'll go ahead and shut it off. I'll really go back and forth one more time, then I'll go ahead and stop it. Okay, so with that, I'll go ahead and end the video now. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Oh, wait, oh. Alright, thanks for watching. As always, I will catch you guys in the next fan video. Peace.